Assalamu alaikum students. Unit number 3 of our English book is I feel hot, let's have a drink. In this unit you are going to learn the use of adjectives. Adjectives are the qualities of nouns and these qualities can be good or bad. The first activity is read and answer the questions. In this exercise you have been given some pictures and there are nouns and adjectives given in this picture, like picture number 1, Jameel and cold. Jameel is noun and cold is adjective. Then there are questions asked below the pictures and you have to answer them. This is an oral activity, so you can do it with your parents or your siblings. Question number A. Who looks hot? Answer. Uzma looks hot. Who looks ill? The patient looks ill. Who looks tired? The workman looks tired. Who looks thirsty? Zaib looks thirsty. In these pictures, Jameel, Uzma, Nasir, the workman, Zaib, the farmer, the patient and the little boy are nouns, and the adjective used in these pictures are cold, hot, sleepy, tired, thirsty, angry, ill and cheerful. So you can do this activity, oral activity, with your parents. Exercise number 2 is finish these sentences. Use these words. Words have been given. You will do this exercise in your copies. Statement A is I am wearing 2 coats. I feel hot. I want a drink. I feel thirsty. This is hard work. I feel tired. I am going to bed. I feel sleepy. I want a coat. I feel cold. I have a pain in my head. I feel ill. Exercise number 3 is how many good pairs of sentences can you make? This is also an oral activity. A table has been given and you have to make sentences like I feel thirsty, let's have a drink. I feel hungry, let's have something to eat. I feel tired, let's have a rest. I feel sleepy, let's go to bed. I feel hot, let's go home. I feel cold, let's go inside. Exercise 4 is put these words in the blank spaces. You will also do this exercise in your copies. A. Uzma looks ill, her face is very white. Zaib seems very happy, she is smiling. May I sit in that chair please? It looks very comfortable. You seem very tired, Nasir. You must go to bed early tonight. Jameel seems very cheerful. He always has a big smile on his face. The children seemed very busy. They were all working hard. That lion looks fierce. It is roaring very loudly. This sum looks very difficult, but I shall try to do it. In the blank spaces, we have used adjectives. Exercise 5 is say these words. It is also an oral exercise. You have to pronounce these words: big, chin, dish, fish, kick, milk, sick, thick, thin, tin, witch, window. Exercise 6 is read aloud and spell. You have to read these words and you will learn the spellings also. Scissors, sister, skip, spring, swim, switch, thing, think, whisper, whistle, wind, wrist, slowly, quickly, dirty, silly, noisy, noisily, bucket, market, pocket, minute, chicken, village, busy, pretty. Exercise 7 is revision. Join the beginnings with the ends to make 6 good sentences. You will also do this exercise in your copies. Uh, the soldier was as brave as a lion. The little girl was as quiet as a mouse. She is ill. She is as weak as a kitten. That man is as strong as a horse. Hurry up, you are as slow as a tortoise. That room was as clean as a new pin. In this exercise, brave, quiet, weak, strong, slow, and clean are adjectives. Here is a passage to read, a picnic on the beach. So let's read it. Last Monday was a holiday. The children decided to have a picnic on the beach. They all felt very happy. Mrs. Riaz gave the boys a bag of food to carry and told them to carry it carefully. There are some eggs inside, she said, and some meat to cook. You can make a fire on the beach. The children reached the beach at 10 o'clock. The sun was shining on the sea. It looked very pretty. I feel hot, and Jamil, let's have a swim. Let's have a drink first, said Nasir. I feel thirsty. I feel sleepy, said Zabe. The sun is very hot, isn't it? Yes, it is, said Uzma. I feel sleepy too. The two girls lay down on the hot sand and went to sleep. Jamil and Nasir had lemonade and then ran into the sea. Does the water feel cold? Shan shouted. No, Nasir shouted. It feels warm. Come in with us. The three boys swam and played until 12 o'clock. Then they began to feel tired. They felt hungry too. Let's wake the girls, said Nasir. No, said Jamil. Let's make a fire and cook the food. Then we can wake the girls. After reading the passage, you will write answers of these questions in your copies. Question number 1. When was the holiday? Last Monday was a holiday. What did the children decide to do? The children decided to have a picnic on the beach. What did Mrs. Riaz give them? Mrs. Riaz gave them a bag of food to carry. When did they reach the beach? They reached the beach at 10 o'clock. What looked pretty? The sun looked pretty. Who felt hot? Jamil felt hot. Who felt thirsty? Nasir felt thirsty. Who felt sleepy? Zabe felt sleepy. What did the girls do? The girls lay down on the hot sand and went to sleep. Who swam in the sea? The boys swam in the sea. Did the water feel cold? No, it felt warm. Who felt tired and hungry? The boys felt tired and hungry. Who wanted to wake the girls? Nasir wanted to wake the girls. There are some words selected from the passage and you have to use these words in sentences. Pretty means beautiful, beach means ashore, lemonade means a drink made from lemon, sugar and water, swim means to move the body through water using legs. Students, you will do all the written work in your copies and take its photo, send them to me on email address cdschool04@gmail.com. I'll check your work and send it back to you. Thank you.